Hello, this is Jim Kaspari. I'm the CEO of Summit Business Marketing, and I am so excited to talk to you today about ADA compliance available for your website. We just started doing these services about 6 months ago. When I use new software, I like to thoroughly test it out with a few select clients and on my own websites. And so I'm excited to officially launch this and get it out to the world because it's really important. ADA compliance was introduced and approved by Congress in 1990. And in the early 2000s, mid 2000s, it really became visible. I was living in the Lake Tahoe area, and there was these scam lawsuits. People were bringing lawsuits to brick and mortar businesses and settling out of court for thousands of dollars. I think the intention could be looked at as good. That's the main thing is, one, how do we make our businesses more available, more welcoming, easier for people with disabilities, whether it's physical, auditory, visual, etc. That's what's really important. But there were some unethical lawyers reaching out and taking advantage of this and making money off this. And that's a horrible thing. So one reason to improve ADA compliance is for legal liability protection. And I'm starting to see this with the big companies. These lawsuits are happening. And in my opinion, it's people taking advantage of companies with deep pockets. And again, ADA compliance is the right thing to do, but I feel very strongly about this, that we can do this coming from the heart and make our websites more compliant and protect ourselves from these type of people, unfortunately. So I'm not going to go into that anymore, but you can go to the summitbusinessmarketing.com, go to the services page and look up ADA compliance services, and I'll have a whole page with a lot more details there. But what I wanted to show you and what I'm really excited about is, see in the upper left corner, there's a blue icon with the wheelchair handicapped icon. That means that this website is much more accessible auditory and visually for handicapped people. And I'll click on that icon and you can see some of the things. You can space out the text more. You can change the visual display to make it black and white, so maybe people with colorblind issues. So there's different choices that they can choose. This is really cool. The text to sound conversion. Check this out. Takes a while.
Best website design. Professional, modern mobile and tablet-friendly responsive website design. Fast load time, easy to navigate, full functionality.
Isn't that awesome? So you can turn that off, turn it on, or the visitors can use this icon and use these. You can magnify for people with visual problems or elderly people. So those are just a few of the things. And you can just really strongly highlight where the links are on your page. So those are just a few of the functionalities. It also comes with a full policy. So here's where the liability protection comes in, and people can see your full policy and what are you doing about these issues for your site visitors. Anyway, you can reach us at summitbusinessmarketing.com. Go to the Contact Us page. You can just click reset and get your site back to the original functionality for anybody's browser. And again, summitbusinessmarketing.com. We're so happy to be able to help you. Just go to our contact page and reach out. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.